Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add extra page in Microsoft Excel and also how to delete extra page in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so how to do it, here you will see. If I want to add my extra page, okay, so here, okay, if I want to add extra page here, so what you have to do, first you have to choose the page where you want to add extra page. So I want to add extra page here, so you have to click here. Okay, now what you have to do, here you will see insert option. Okay, go to insert option and go to pages and click on blank page. So like this you can add extra page. Now I will show you how to delete that page. Okay, any page, delete any page in Microsoft Word. Okay, so here if I want to delete this page, okay, so you have to choose. What you have to do, you have to select all the words in that page. Okay, so I'm going to select all the words, okay, like this, and then backspace. Okay, click backspace, then click backspace and you will see that page has been deleted. Okay, so if I want to delete this page, what I have to do, you have to, if you click here and backspace, it will not remove, but if you select all this and then you can delete. Okay, so like this you can delete extra page in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.